video competition. Each truck is going to get an opportunity to get 2 hits on the track to get the truck up in the air on 2 wheels. At the end of the 2-wheel competition, we will do a cheer out and based off their applause, we'll determine who our winners this afternoon. Now, safety is very important to us in the Monster Explorer, and one of the most important safety tools we have is called an RII, the most engaging in a rubber. It's in the hands of my track master, Mr. William T. He's going to test the RII on each truck before wheelies and before freestyle. The way he's going to do that, he's going to have the driver of the truck start to be able to lift his hands up in the air, showing that he does not have control of the vehicle, and that's when Woody will fill up with the RII. Once we verify the RII, we'll start the truck up and be ready for the competition. Without any further ado, Woody, please start up the engine of the first one. That's Cycle Pack. And the RII is verified.
Take a picture.
Verified. And we are ready to wheel. Our Cycle Pack. And 2-wheel. The next truck up is Hand Stretch Money Girl. We're going to test the RII Money Girl right now.
Ahí ve la señora, mira. Ahí
And
ve
the
la señora.
RII is verified. We're in Texas, ladies. Give it up for Hand Stretch Money Girl.
Es una señora, Emilio, que trae el carro ese. Le van a quitar el rojo ese, lo van a quitar.
He's adjusting the stack on the far end as we get ready for our third competitor this afternoon. Now, ladies and gentlemen, again, make sure you're following each truck because, again, we're going to do a cheer out. Based off your applause, you will determine who our winners are this afternoon. And now we're ready to start our third competitor and test his RII. It's Ron Nelson in Dirt Eater.
oh.
Nagabog?
Oh. Compramos unos chiquitos para los niños.
¿Qué?
Son muy chiquitos para los niños. Aquí está el gorro. Pues.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are I verified in the turkey to welcome Ron Nelson from Conroe, Texas. Get that big truck on two wheels. Ron Nelson and Turkey in the next Volvo victory here on the first day of the second hit. Not if my hockey was looking for it. Trying to hit that second line to be a little bit of get that first thing straight up and down. Unfortunately, he did not get that hot. Let's hear it for Ron Nelson in the Turkey here. And now, ladies and gentlemen, running forward this afternoon from Ontario, Canada, it is Ryan Como. And the RI verified. Rick Ashley, it's two-wheel time. And our last truck up in the two-wheel competition, Peter Cornelius in General Hazard. We're going to test the RII in General Hazard. RII is verified. General Hazard, time for the two-wheel competition. journey. Remember how each truck